Hi guys, welcome back. Are you tired of seeing ads everywhere on your phone, on websites, inside apps, or even in games? So in this quick tutorial, I will show you easy way to reduce many of those ads without installing anything or paying for extra apps. We will be using a built-in Android feature which is called Private DNS. This works in the background by connecting your phone to a server that blocks many ads and tracking domains before they even load. Because of that, some ads never appear and pages can load a bit faster. Here's how to set it up. Open your settings on your phone and then go to connections and then more connection settings. Then tap on private DNS. Or a much easier way is that inside your settings, search directly for DNS. Then after that, click on private DNS. Now, select private DNS provider hostname. Enter this exactly, dns.adguard-dns.com. And then after that, click save. And that's it. Once it's turned on, when you open a website or apps that usually shows a lot of ads, you may notice fewer pop-ups or banners. Just keep in mind that some apps like YouTube use their own ad system, so those ads may still show when using those apps. Also, a few apps like banking or work apps might not work properly with this turn on. If that happens, simply go back and switch private DNS to automatic or off. And that's all for this quick tip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, peace out.